6, the graph of y equals 2x squared over 4 minus x squared has, what do we know about the horizontal asymptotes of this function? Good. It does have a horizontal asymptote. It comes from the degree of the numerator and the degree of the denominator. What's the degree of the numerator? What's the degree of the denominator? So since they're both 2, we look at the ratio of the leading coefficients, which it doesn't actually ask for what the horizontal asymptote is, just whether or not there is one. So yes, there is one, which means that A is not true, because A says there are no horizontal asymptotes, so I know that's not true. B says there's one vertical and no horizontal, so I know that's not true. C says there's no vertical and one horizontal. We'll see if that's true. E says one horizontal, then we'll see if that's true. And then, D said that, and then E said 2 horizontal, which we know is not true. So it's either C or D from this point. And how do we determine if there are no vertical asymptotes or 2 vertical asymptotes? Look at the denominators. Beautiful. What do I have to do with the denominator? Set it equal to 0. I love it. So remember, there's going to be a vertical asymptote as long as the denominator is equal to 0. So if I say 4 minus x squared equals 0, how do I solve that? Subtract 4 or add x squared, and then take the square root. So x equals plus or minus 2. So there are, in fact, 2 vertical asymptotes, one at 2 and one at negative 2. So the correct answer choice was D.